Designated terrorist and Khalistan Commando Force Chief Paramjeet Singh Panjwar alias Malik Sardar Singh was shot dead by two unidentified gunmen in Johar town of Lahore in Pakistan. As per reports, Panjwar was killed while walking near his house in Sunflower Society in Johar town around 6 am along with his gunmen by two unidentified men on a motorcycle. The gunman was injured in the shootout and shifted to a nearby hospital for treatment. Kanwarpal Singh, leader of separatist organization Dal Khalsa, confirmed Panjwar's death in the attack. According to our information, he was on a morning walk when two gunmen shot him dead, said Kanwarpal. Let us know who Paramjeet Singh Panjwar was and why was he India's most wanted Khalistani terrorist. Notably, Panjwar was wanted in India on multiple charges including reviving Sikh insurgency, murder, conspiracy and smuggling of arms in India from the Pakistan border. He was also wanted for the murder of former Army Chief General A.S. Vaidya and for the country's biggest bank robbery in Ludhiana. Notably, his name was also involved in the smuggling of drugs through drones in India through the Pakistan border. According to several media reports, Panjwar belonged to the village of Panjwar near Taran Taran. Until 1986, when he joined the Khalistan Commando Force, he worked at the Central Cooperative Bank in Sohal. In 1986, he joined the KCF, whose commander and his cousin Lab Singh had a major influence on him. After the Indian security forces neutralized Lab Singh, Paramjeet Panjwar took over the KCF in the 1990s and fled to Pakistan during the crackdown. Paramjeet Panjwar was at the top of the list of the most wanted terrorists sheltered by Pakistan. It is pertinent to mention here that Panjwar kept the KCF alive by smuggling weapons and drugs inside India from Pakistan. Interestingly, Pakistan had always denied the presence of designated terrorists on its soil. However, Panjwar stayed in Lahore. On the other hand, Panjwar's wife and children relocated to Germany. As per reports, the objective of KCF was to bolster all the secessionist Khalistani militant groups and to attain its goal of forming a Sikh homeland, Khalistan, by breaking India's Punjab. It had a three-layered hierarchical structure with members of the Panthic Committee forming the first tier and second levels of leadership. The third layer of KCF primarily consisted of cadres from the All India Sikh Students Federation. For the unversed, Paramjeet Singh Panjwar was the prime accused and conspirator of the 2010 twin bomb blasts in Patiala and Ambala cities. He has also been cited as the kingpin of the 2009 killings of Rulda Singh, head of Rashtriya Sikh Sangat, an offshoot of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, the ideological motherboard of India's ruling Bharatiya Janata Party. In December 2015, India came very close to nabbing Panjwar when he was arrested by Portugal police after an Interpol Red Corner notice was issued against him at the behest of the Government of India. However, Panjwar walked free after Portugal denied India's request for his extradition. It is pertinent to mention here that the killing of Paramjeet comes when the Pakistan Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto is in India for two-day SEO meet and his Indian counterpart S. Jaishankar on Friday called Pakistan a preparatory of terrorism.